If we look at the recent volatility here, the indicators suggest a major shift is coming.
Absolutely, Ben. The volume on that last spike confirms the trend we discussed.
Look at these green candles, Alex. I told you 75 basis points was baked in. This is exactly what we predicted. The volatility we're seeing in the tech sector is unprecedented this quarter. Yeah,
absolutely. But look at these green lines. The recovery stocks are surging.
Yeah.
Alex, man, have you seen Luminar racing?
Yeah.
It's up 19% again today.
Right. And on no news.
Its short interest is over 20%. This is a classic short squeeze.
Yeah. I'm thinking of buying in.
You cannot look at that chart and tell me the volatility isn't alarming.
Yeah.
It simply doesn't support the long-term outlook.
But that ignores the underlying market fundamentals we discussed.
This red line indicates a massive sell-off incoming. How can you ignore that trend?
Because the volume tells a different story.
Yeah.
The institutional buying pressure is stabilizing the floor right here.
Yeah.
I don't understand who is buying this dip so aggressively.
It's not fundamental buying. It's entirely technical.
Yeah.
We are seeing a massive short squeeze initiated by the algos.
Right.
Who needs fundamentals when you've got 80% potential upside?
You can't seriously look at these numbers and expect us to believe that projection. It's fundamentally flawed.
I understand your skepticism, however, but this is the breakout we've been waiting for.
Right.
The upside potential here is absolutely massive.
It is, and the volume confirms the move.
Yeah.
And you're only looking at the price targets, not their ratings.
Okay, we sent me channels.
According to the article, out of 6 analysts, 5 rate it a hold and 1 a strong sell. That's not exactly a vote of confidence.
What's driving this sudden rally?
Yeah. It's pure speculation, fueled by the tech giants. This line here shows institutional money flowing.
The LiDAR space is seeing massive growth right now. But for long-term gold, we still see significant upside potential in this market.
We haven't seen movement like this since 2008. The key is managing the risk exposure before the close.
Right.
But what about the operational headwinds impacting Q2 results?
We've analyzed those headwinds closely, and frankly, we're projecting a very strong second quarter.
This pattern right here tells us the volatility is going to continue.
Right.
We have to adjust our positions before the close.
Right.
Look at this upward trend we're seeing highlighted here.
Exactly. But the key is sustainable growth amidst current inflation concerns.
If you look at this graph, the strategy implemented in Q1 has paid dividends,
Right.
pushing us into a very strong position for the next quarter.
Right.
The key takeaway from this quarter's earnings is the sustainable growth pattern we're seeing right here. Your man Hermy, right now, I think
this isn't just normal. They are burning cash, a negative free cash flow of $53.8 million.
And the most worrying part, management itself just slashed its guidance for 2025.
So I can't believe what I'm seeing on the screen right now. This drop is catastrophic.
Exactly, and this document confirms the 2025 guidance cut is fueling the fire.
We have to address this reduction immediately. The revenue targets are simply unattainable given the current market volatility, and the data confirms a sharp downward trend.
And sensor shipments from 30,000 plus down to 20,000.
Yeah, those are serious execution struggles.
Yeah.
So,
like this, you're rallying.
So you're saying this recent rally is fake?
You cannot afford to sit on the sidelines during this dip. You have to be aggressive right now. 100%. This is the time.
So
we have to act now. The risk exposure is critical. If we wait another hour, we could lose everything.
Are you sure about the projections?
We have to address the immediate financial reality of our current cash burn.
And we simply cannot ignore these missed financial targets any longer.
So you're not buying?
Absolutely not. The article's conclusion is clear.
Look at these numbers. This is exactly the kind of volatility we thrive on.
But wait, it's dropping too fast. We need to advise caution immediately.
We need to see a sustainable breakout.
Right.
If it holds, we just wait for gravity to take over. And